Welcome again to Chippewa Classics, 3174 Park Avenue in Paducah, Kentucky. Today, we're going to look at a gorgeous 1969 Chevelle frame-off restoration. That restoration happened just in 2020. Beautiful. Beautiful blue color, 350 engine, and we're going to start with that because that is the true showpiece of this car. It's got less than 700 miles on it since the restoration took place. Built 350 V8, does have a mild cam, a turbo 350 automatic transmission, power steering, front disc brakes, aluminum radiator, Edelbrock carb, aluminum pulley system. This car is a gear drive car, so you'll hear that whine in our test drive. That is because it's gear driven. That adds a lot to your torque. Stainless headers, stainless exhaust, lots and lots of chrome on this engine. You can see 1969 Chevelle etched right in front of the radiator. If you want something that you can take to a car show today, this car is a head turner. We'll pull this hood down just a little bit. It does have a cowl hood. New American Racing Torq Thrust wheels, paired up with some brand new Redline tires. I love that look. Every single piece of chrome and stainless on it is brand new. One of the first places you look when you're looking at an old classic to see what sort of restoration it's got is obviously in the trunk, because a lot of times that will tell you a secret. But what we found in the trunk is not only is the trunk pan perfectly solid, we found the photo album. So you can see where this car started, the restoration process that it went through. You can see all the way down to the frame, everything painted. So it's just so cool that they took day-by-day pictures to show you the care and the thought that went into reproducing this car, rebuilding it. So there's a good before and after of the engine. So this is a true frame-off restoration. Before and after. Just so cool. We're going to take another look at that interior again. Now that we're stopped, we get a chance to really check out the seats, the door panels. After looking at those pictures in the trunk, you can tell that it wasn't just lipstick on the pig. They replaced everything. The carpet, the upholstery, the headliner, the steering wheel, the shifter, the pedals. It's all new. Got the new chrome Fisher trim, door seals, door plate. Car is absolutely gorgeous. All new gauges, all the gauges work. Your headliner, that is all brand new. New B&M shifter, billet steering wheel. You can hear that gear drive. It's a torque monster. Like brand new. This car on the inside just looks brand new. The seats aren't ripped or torn. Interior wise, guys, horn works. No issues whatsoever. There you go, guys and gals. 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle. Don't forget, if you're on our YouTube page right now, to please like and subscribe. That really, really helps us out a lot. If you like these videos, we plan on keeping these videos up. Quick update on the indoor showroom. We have some new construction that started today. So hopefully, guys, middle of next year, we should be open with a brand new showroom. And we're still open now, but we're doing a lot of stuff outside. But the new showroom should be open soon, and we're super excited about that. Anything and everything you need to know about all of these cars can be found at chipwinklassics.com, or you can call us 270-443-1728, or sales@chipwin.com if you have some questions. But our website, chipwinklassics.com, has pricing, photos, description, just about anything and everything that you would need or want to make your purchasing decision on one of these cars is right there. Also, we have same-day financing. If you want to get financed for one of these cars, you can't afford to pay cash for it right now, well, that's okay. We have finance options available for you too. It does take some money down, but if you've got good to great credit, well, then we've got a real good chance of getting you financed the very same day. We also have some other finance options as well, so don't let that keep you from making this decision. If you want one of these, we'll do everything we can to get you one of these. It's chipwinklassics.com. So let's hammer down one more time and take her on back.